we know what it is.
Yeah, man. Y'all already know.
Go.
Hey, here's the thing, man.
Hey, nigga.
Man, Amex need to cut us a check, man.
We got both gold and platinum.
Amex need to cut us a check, man. This is some
For real,
bullshit, bro. We keep promoting you fucking losers.
Listen, bro.
We got American Express,
Yeah, we
man.
got gold and platinum, nigga.
Yeah.
By the way,
That card is Myron's best
my
friend.
hotel, my flight to Europe, everything, bro. So shout out to Amex, man, for the points.
Yeah, shout out to y'all, man. Yeah, they're definitely Fresh booked everything for us with the Amex. So great card, guys. But I'll keep it 1,000 with y'all, man. This is a make sure that you're profitable when you have a card like this. Like I said, it's a $700 annual fee.
Yeah.
If you don't travel a lot, etc., like you might not use it to its biggest capacity because this is a travel card. The Amex Platinum is a travel card.
I'll tell you what.
Predominantly.
With the intro bonus for this card, if you actually make the points within the 3-month period of using this card, it'll pay for the annual fee, actually. So that could be your bonus, too, as well.
Yep.
Pay for itself. And then all the benefits, too, as well. The benefits of the card, travel, points, gift card, everything maximizes your actual choice of the card. Mind you, Uber itself.
Let's pull it up real quick.
Whenever you use a card, you get actual cash back and points, too, as well.
Let's see here. So you get 5x on flights and prepaid hotels, 1.5 points on eligible purchases, 1 point on other eligible purchases. You get a $400 statement credit. Scroll down real quick. Okay, Shop Dell. Okay, so they still got to deal with Dell.
Indeed.
With Dell. So if you want to buy computers with Dell for your business, you can. You got to deal with Indeed. Build your team up with Indeed. Adobe Creative Solutions. Okay, I think that's new. $150 credit towards that. Wireless credit, get up to $120 per year back for a purchase on U.S. wireless telephone service providers. So, you want to go ahead and get a phone line. They'll cover that. The Global Lounge Collection. Guys, a lot of big airports will have the Centurion lounges, right? Where they'll have free food in there. It's way more comfortable. They got showers and shit like that. So if you travel a lot and you get these long ass layovers, etc., you can go ahead and chill in these lounges.
To Jamaica, and I was there super early.
Bomboka!
I was hungry. Went to the lounge and got free food.
Yep.
Got a nice place to sit, chill out until my flight was ready. And
Wi-Fi, all that versus like sitting with all the brokies in a regular area.
Yep.
This is pretty helpful.